Let's make a thumbnail using Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, create a new project and sequence, and here's I added my thumbnail background image. Now I'm going to insert my logo here, so I'm just clicking on this project box and I'm selecting my logo from my computer, and I'm just dragging my logo and adding it in this timeline and double clicking on the logo, and I'm just making my logo bigger, putting the logo here. Now I'm going to add a text here, so selecting the text tool and typing here my thumbnail text. And now selecting the selection tool and just increasing my thumbnail text size just like this. And now select the text tool again and highlight your entire text and select essential graphics. If you don't see here, then go to window and here make sure to check essential graphics. Now here, if you want to change your text color, just click on this fill box and you can go ahead and select a different color for your thumbnail text. And you can also change your font from here. You can change your text size, you can change your text alignment, and then here we can see the final result of my thumbnail. Now all you have to need to export or save this, just click on this little export frame option and here rename the thumbnail and click on OK. Then go to your file explorer, go to documents, open Adobe folder, Adobe Premiere folder, and here is my thumbnail. And this is how we can do it.